What's up, guys? Cameron here with FuelTech USA. I have William Jackson here, and this is a very nice car. Very nice car.
Appreciate that.
I was told that this was all built in a two-car garage, right?
100%.
Chassis and everything?
No. 1320
Okay.
does a good job out there in Glen Burnie, Maryland. Them guys take care of me. But putting it all together, wiring, assembly for everything, definitely all done in a two-car garage.
Okay, well that just shows you that two-car garage built cars can still run at the front, right?
I think so.
So we had a good day in the dyno today. We made, am I allowed to say numbers, or is that like a no-go?
I don't want to be the first one to put it out there because I think the only thing that matters is the time slip.
Okay, well, he's gonna choke me if I tell you what horsepower it made, but it made good power today. Small block nitrous, ultra street legal, BES power plant. It was a really good day today, and let's not forget it has an FT700 on it, doing everything wirelessly. We were sitting over there having coffee and stuff, sitting at the bench, working on everything. How was your day today besides me just yapping about all the cool stuff that we have going on?
I had a really good day. You know, the guys here, y'all did a good job of helping me get all this stuff tuned up. You sharing the knowledge with me to help me figure out how to get this thing tuned and deal with all the individual cylinder, all the things that the 700 does and all that kind of stuff. I think that aside from the drive shaft collar situation, which was clearly a me thing in a two-car garage, everything went perfect other than that, is what I would say.
Awesome. Well, I had a really great time today. Hopefully I'll be hearing from you, or I'll see you at the track sometime. And guys, just watch the video. This is a really nice car, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks.